Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do review. Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Road Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my AFM DFM Disabler. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and actually check it out. This should be pretty simple, plug and play. This is the item right here. I'll show you how to plug it up. So one little note here is do not leave your device installed in a vehicle that is not driven daily. Unplug the device if the vehicle will be driven. If it will not be driven for a few days, there may be some draw on the battery in some vehicles. So just a small disclaimer there that they do show. All right, so let's go and actually test it out.
As I go to install it, the main reason people buy something like this is to keep the engine from constantly switching all 8 cylinders and the fuel-saving 4-cylinder mode. Once it's plugged into the OBD port, it keeps the V8 running in full cylinder mode, which can make the throttle response feel more consistent instead of feeling that switch back and forth while you're driving. The biggest perk is how simple it is. There's no tuning, cutting wires, or changing the computer permanently. You plug it in, let it connect, and that's basically it. This is made for compatible GM vehicles with V6 or V8 engines that use the active fuel management or dual fuel management system.
Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new AFM DFM Disabler, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours.